did a little research, and when you turn the key to click it into the on, it goes dink, dink, dink. It makes this dink sound, which usually means it's either the solenoid or the starter. So we're gonna see if it's the solenoid right now. So the first thing you wanna do is pop your seat up, pull the safety switch out of the back, and put a wire in it to connect the safety switch together. So the safety switch is on. Now you don't need to sit on your seat to start the tractor. The next thing you want to do is make sure your key is turned into the on position. Now you can come up here, sit down, push the clutch in, and touch those two bolts together on your solenoid with a screwdriver. And now you know your solenoid's bad. Damn it.